Welcome back everybody to Capital Exhaust. Thanks for checking out the channel. I'm back in this beautiful location again where I filmed last year a video called Is the Base Factory Exhaust Good Enough? And the answer is definitely not. I gave it an 8 on 10 in the video, but that's because I didn't know any better. But now this year I've got a Soul Performance valve exhaust on this baby, so let's go check it out. So there's 3 types of options that you can have. You can have in my previous video that I did the base factory exhaust, and that's okay. As I said, not really loud enough. The second option you can upgrade to is the Porsche Sports Exhaust, which adds a little bit more noise, a little bit of pops and crackles, but not really that much. So instead, for the same price, what I optioned for is to wait, and I got the aftermarket Soul Performance valve exhaust. And this baby like crackles, pops, gurgles, and is louder than the Porsche Sports Exhaust. So bang for buck, I think it's worth it. So enough with the talking, let's get the video started. Alright, I realized we filmed the first part of the video and we didn't have the spoiler up, so let's put it up and let's go. Guys, so we've got the valves open, and it's pretty dirty when you got the valves open. It's got this great gritty sound, pops and crackles. I'll lay off the gas. This is inside the car. You couldn't really hear it that much that time. We'll see if we can get some pops and crackles going for you. Let off the gas. I don't know if you can hear that from inside the car. We got the windows closed, everything's sealed up, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna come around this bend. We filmed the first time. It's second gear, because I filmed it in the original video in second gear. And we're gonna see what we can do with the valves open, see how the sound's different, how much louder it is. high-pitched last time, and we'll really get to see pops and crackles with the valves open and valves closed. So catch you later. Well, alright everybody, that concludes the video. Thanks for sticking around, and if you like the content, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Soul Performance valved exhaust system is amazing. The valve system lets you close it so there's no droning on the highway on long cruises, but lets you open it up and hear the pops and crackles and the gurgles and the overall louder sound when you want to. This is what drove me to get the Soul Performance valved exhaust. And thanks for Mike at Soul Performance and AutoAmateur for convincing me to make the right step, because this definitely took my 911 and brought it to the next level. This is the 991.1 generation. So if you are out there looking for it or looking for an upgrade, check out Soul Performance and you won't regret it. So until the next video, take care and peace.